If your Windows feels slow, freezes often, or uses too much RAM even when nothing is open, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a free, safe, and powerful tool called Windscript that can clean, optimize, and speed up Windows 10 and Windows 11 with just a few clicks. Before optimizing anything, it's important to understand the problem. Even on a fresh Windows installation, the system can use a lot of CPU, memory, and background processes. Over time, this gets worse because of pre-installed unnecessary apps, background services, telemetry, and extra features that most people never use. That's why optimization makes a big difference, especially if your system has been running for months or years. Windscript gives you the option to select the changes you want to apply to your system, such as removing pre-installed unnecessary apps, temporary files, or optimizing PC. This app also lets you remove Microsoft Edge, Copilot, and AI features that most people never use. They just take up space on your Windows PC and slow it down. Based on your selections, it automatically converts those choices into a script. At the end, you can either run the script directly or copy it and execute it manually in PowerShell. You can also export the script and in future apply it on the same PC or another PC whenever you want. So in this video, I will explain every feature so you can understand which tweaks you should apply. Now, let's first download the tool. Open your web browser and search for Windscript. Open the official website. Here, click on Get Started button. Choose desktop version, and it will redirect you to its GitHub page. Here, scroll a little, and then click on the exe download link. The setup file will start downloading. When the download completes, right-click on the setup file and open it. Click Next on Welcome screen. When it asks to choose users, use the first option and click Next. Next, it will ask you for installation location. Keep it as it is. It just needs 11 megabytes. Click Next. When installation finishes, click Next. Uncheck Run Script and keep Create Desktop Shortcut checked. Then click Finish. You will now see the Windscript icon on your desktop. Right-click on the Windscript icon and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important, so all features work correctly. When the program opens, you'll see several tabs with different options. Do not select everything blindly. This tool is powerful, so always read what each option does before enabling it. This app has a lot of options that we can use to make our Windows faster and more secure. But for today, we will use only Debloat option. Now, the first section is for Windows apps. Inside that, the first option we can use is to uninstall third-party apps like Spotify that show up on a new Windows PC. Those aren't actually built into Windows itself, and we don't need them. You can turn on this option to remove them. Now, second option is for pre-installed Microsoft apps like Solitaire and People. It's completely optional. Removing it won't affect Windows at all. I will also check this option. Next option is for HEVC and VP9 extensions. These let your system play certain types of compressed and high-quality videos. Without them, some videos won't open, or they'll play without picture. So, I will not recommend to remove them. Now, last option in this section is for Xbox APS. I will also remove it. It is used to download and manage PC games. If you don't play games through Xbox or use Game Pass, you can uninstall it safely. Now comes Windows Features section. Here, first option is to remove Microsoft Store. This is the App Store for Windows. You use it to download apps, games, and get updates for built-in apps. You generally should not uninstall this because a lot of system apps rely on it for updates. Microsoft apps update automatically through the Microsoft Store. If you want to stop Microsoft apps from updating automatically, then you can turn on this option. Next option in this list is to remove OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service built into Windows. This option is needed if you back up files, documents, and pictures to the cloud. I have my files on it, so I will not remove it. Next option is to debloat Edge browser. It just means trimming down Edge so it feels lighter. It does not mean deleting the browser completely. Basically, it disables sidebar, hides Copilot, turns off newsfeed on new tab, and removes extra buttons. Next option is for removing Edge browser completely. You can remove if you don't use it. Next is Microsoft Copilot. It is an AI-powered assistant integrated into Microsoft products. You can remove Microsoft Copilot if you don't use its AI features. Next is widgets. I will not change anything here. And the last option is for taskbar widgets. In Windows, these are small panels that provide quick access to information like news, weather, calendar events, and stock updates. If you don't use them, they just take up space on your taskbar. Just remove them to get a clean environment. Once all done, then go to Run Script tab. Here, you can run the script to execute all the changes. Just click Run. It will ask to create a restore point. A restore point in Windows is basically a snapshot of your system at a specific moment in time. You can use a restore point to revert your computer to that earlier state if something goes wrong. Click Yes. Now, it will start executing the process. It will uninstall the apps we selected and apply the changes we made. It will take some time, so wait patiently. If execution stops, just press Enter and it continues. That's it. After running the script, your system will be cleaner, faster, and free of unnecessary apps and widgets. The changes you made will take effect immediately, and you won't see ads, AI, features, or unused apps cluttering your desktop anymore. You can always create a restore point before making more changes if needed, so you have a safety net. That's how you can debloat Windows 11 using Windscript. I have already uploaded videos on making Windows PC faster and cleaner, so make sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.